Who should I address my financial aid appeal letter to? If you are thinking about writing a financial aid appeal letter for law school, you might be wondering who to send it to. Getting the right person or office is key to making sure your appeal is seen by those who can help. First, it is a good idea to address your letter to the financial aid office or the financial aid director at your law school. They are typically the ones handling these requests. If you have already spoken with a specific financial aid counselor or admissions officer, it is best to address your letter directly to that person. This personal touch can make your appeal stand out. To find the right addressee, start by checking the law school's financial aid website or your award letter. Many schools provide clear instructions on how to send an appeal letter. Some even have a designated appeals committee or officer listed. If you cannot find the information online, do not hesitate to reach out to the admissions or financial aid office by phone or email. Ask them who is in charge of financial aid appeals and what the preferred method of submission is. This shows that you are taking the process seriously and are willing to put in the effort. When you write your letter, make sure to use a professional salutation. A good format is Dear Title and Name, such as Dear Director of Financial Aid or Dear Ms. Smith. If you do not have a specific name, it is perfectly acceptable to use Dear Financial Aid Committee or Dear Financial Aid Office. In your letter, be sure to include your full name, law school applicant or student identification number, and your contact information. Clearly explain your circumstances and include any supporting documentation that might help your case. Maintaining professionalism and clarity in your appeal letter is essential. Law schools often have structured processes for reconsidering financial aid. By addressing the letter correctly, you increase the chances that your appeal will be reviewed promptly and taken seriously. Some schools may have formal procedures for reconsideration or might requiring the appeal to go through the admissions office instead of the financial aid office. It is wise to confirm this before sending your letter. In short, the best practice is to address your financial aid appeal letter to the financial aid director or office at your law school. If you know the name of the specific person handling appeals, addressing it to them can also be beneficial. Confirming this information by contacting the school directly will help ensure that your appeal is received and considered appropriately.